Hey, so I haven't really posted videos here, so I decided to start. As you might know, I work with businesses on UX, user experience, site architecturing, and SEO optimization. So I wanted to share a few examples from my real practice and to show you the basic mistakes that businesses have. Initially, I thought about making one videos, but now I think it will be 5 to 6, and I will start with this intro video. Let me hide myself. So what I currently see when I work with my clients, that the site is presented, but we don't have the clear structure, we don't have the user flow, and no priorities on this site. As an example, we can see that the site is built on WordPress, but it's not communicating the key message. We don't have the call to actions that is obviously highlighted here, and the inner pages are not so visually appealing too. In this case, this is the US client to Miami-based catering. From one hand, we have the site also on WordPress, but we don't have the clear messages. The gallery looks strange. This is not the way that user wants to see it on desktop and on mobile, and other issues are presented. So other part is site looks fine, but doesn't convert. We have a confusing layouts and unclear message, basically the same that you had on the previous slide. So the same is here. It's not obvious how to get to the form. Some actions are redundant here, and we lose conversions. So this is super basic scenario what I see when client comes to me, and it's not about the platform. So it doesn't matter if you use Wix, WordPress, Webflow, Squarespace, Tilda. It's about architecture, not the platform. So the other real issue is SEO optimization. So here, for example, we have broken headings. This should be on the first place and not duplicating like here. And here the heading 1 is we don't see it at all. So that all leads to traffic loss and lead loss. So as a result, we see only 9 clicks in 3 months. So this is also a common situation when site doesn't do the SEO optimization. So what I want to show in my next videos, like the real migrations from between the platforms, full rebuild and redesigning of the sites, and SEO growth. So something like here, we came up from this to that Wix web platform site with clear call to actions, messaging, nice visualizations, and here from no name like brand and hero section to clear communication, call to actions, highlighted services from the business, the intro video from owner, and so on. Also, I will share the SEO results. For example, Google top 1, top 2, top 3 for my US based client, and the traffic grows, and as a result, lead and submissions increasing. So this is what I do, and this is something I want to share a bit in my next 4 or 5 videos. This is not only about a few screens. Of course, I have a good a large site structures and a lot of material to show and to share. So I think you'll get a clear understanding how to build a well-structured and SEO optimized site. Doesn't matter what platform you're currently based at. So to finish, my approach is strategy first, then structure and SEO optimization. SEO strategy, may I say. Only after this, the design phase, and only after this, building it on Wix. Currently, I use Wix platform, Wix Studio and Wix Editor. Before this, I was doing, let me show myself once again. Before this, I was using WordPress, but because of the Wix is more quick, easy to manage, and it's not so costly as WordPress. So for the last 1.5 years, I build my project for my clients on Wix platform. That's it. See you in the next videos. Thanks.